are also conducted in the college. Our college campus has been fulfilled and booked up with greenery and has been accredited grade A by NAC Bengaluru. As we all know that in our country, coronavirus disease COVID-19, due to this epidemic, from the 24th March 2020, nationwide lockdown was imposed due to the COVID-19 pandemic by the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi. Then lockdown were extended 2.0, 2.3, and now we are in lockdown 4.0, day 11. A fourth stage of this nationwide lockdown scheduled to end on 31st May 2020. But no one can say what is about the next. But we are very positive that after 31st May 2020, this nationwide lockdown might be opened step by step in our country. During this lockdown period, tremendous changes are seen by us in the behavior of people, in the mind of people, in the society, and in the economy as a whole. On this ground, I remember one well-known bhajan, which showing the changes in the behavior of people and society as a whole. आपको सबको पता है कि इन 60-65 दिन में जो भी लोगों के मन में, दिल में, रहन सहन में, खाने पीने में या आचरण करने में जो बदलाव आया, ट्रिमेंडस बदलाव आया। और इस उपलक्ष्य में एक भजन मेरे को याद आ रहा, मैं आपको ये सादर कर रहा हूं। देख तेरे संसार की हालत क्या हो गई भगवान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। सूरज ना बदला, चांद ना बदला, ना बदला रे आसमान, कितना बदल गया इंसान, कितना बदल गया इंसान। As we know, the lockdown is imposed from previous 65 days. As a result, more than couple of months long period, nationwide lockdown, Indian economy badly entered into the severe recession and depression. It affected different areas like production, manufacturing, employment, agriculture, trade, tourism, construction, agriculture, and rural employees throughout the country. As a result, Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, has declared rupees 20 lakh crore financial package to boost the Indian economy and lift out the economy from the recession. Here, Indian digital sound system or culture plays a vital role in proper disbursing the financial support and assistance to the eligible beneficiaries in various fields of economy. Currently, India's digital economy generates about $200 billion of economic value annually, and that is 8% of India's GDP in 2017-18. It is generated largely from existing digital ecosystem, including information technology, business process management, digital